Welcome back to another episode of Algebra 1. This is your host, Romel, with the Jax Tutor. Today, we're still doing Algebra 1. We're going to solve algebraic equation with one variable. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this. So the first way you can think about it, this is mostly what you would get in your algebra class. So what you want to do is, the goal is to put everything that has a variable, or x or y, on one side of the equality, and everything that doesn't have that on the other side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the inverse operation. So this is plus 2y. So in order for us to cancel this or to move it to this side, we're gonna subtract 2y on both sides of the equality. Minus 2y minus 2y. So what you're gonna have here, you have 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now we have the 8 here, and we're gonna make sure we're gonna send that 8 to the other side. So we can reduce this first, of course. 4y minus 2y is 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. So we're going to send the 8 to the other side. So the way we do that, so you know, positive 8 here, to send it to the other side, you say minus 8. Minus 8 is equal to 0. So what you have here is 2y. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, and then you have a minus 8 on that side too. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, 2y is equal to negative 8. So now what you have here is 2y. So what we're solving for is y. So the way you solve for y, you divide both sides of this equation by 2, as you probably know. So 2 divided by 2 gives you y. 2y divided by 2 gives you y. 8 divided by 2 give you negative 4. Negative 8 divided by 2 give you negative 4. That's another way to solve for it. The second way I normally solve for it, this is, if you can think of it that way, you'll be able to solve for it faster. But also, if you cannot, you can just use the first way. So eventually, when you do so many of these, you'll know, okay, let's say I have 4y plus 8 is equal to equal to 2y. So what I would say is, I move the 2y to this side and I move the 8 to the other side. And I can do both of them at the same time. So what I say is 4y minus 2y. So when I move it to the other side, I just broke this. When I move it to the other side, I change the sign. So I move the 8 to the other side, I'll change the size to negative 8. So 4y minus 2y plus 2y. 4y minus 2y is 2y is equal to negative 8. So, and I divide by 2. I divide both sides by 2. So what I say is y is equal to negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. So this is considered to be faster, but if you cannot think of it that way, you can always do this. Hey, this is your host, Romel, with the Jax Tutor. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.